Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create action figure in ChatGPT or how to turn your image into action figure toys with ChatGPT. Let's start the video without any delay. Open Chrome browser. Type ChatGPT. Log into your account. Click on plus icon to upload image, select image from device. Now write the prompt what you want. Here you need prompt. I already mentioned some prompts in video description. You can edit these prompts according to your need. Just copy-paste prompt from description to ChatGPT. After that, wait for few seconds to process and create image. You can download the image. Let's create another image of tennis player. Upload the picture of the player. Prompt in description. Just copy and paste the prompt. And wait for processing the image. Here is another prompt of PSL 10 players. Upload the picture of the player. Prompt in description. Just copy and paste the prompt. And wait for processing the image. Hope you liked the video. Please share your experience about the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.